What's up, beautiful people? Good day and welcome to my channel. My name is Faith Ungu. If you're just seeing my channel for the first time, you're very much welcome. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the gold. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. God bless you so much. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest and the fastest way to make pap for busy moms who would love to make pap at home but don't have the time, because let's be honest, to make pap sometimes takes a whole lot. But with this method I'm going to show you, you'll be able to make this same quantity of pap that I showed in this video in 10 minutes or less. Okay, now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need is double bowl. If you have a bigger bowl, fine, but I don't have, so I'm using my pot. Now this is the corn that I've already grounded to filter. Okay, so I'm going to, if you have a big bowl, you pour everything inside, pour enough water and pour all the pap inside and dissolve it. The goal is to make this pap to be as light as possible. If you don't have bigger bowl, no problem, you can do as I'm doing right here. I'm using my kitchen bowl to divide it into two. Alright, so you're going to be using your kitchen bowl just like I'm using here, and you're going to be dividing the pulp into two, right, or into three, but depending on the how large the bowl you're using is. So I've divided the pulp into two and I've added water on this blue one or green, what color is that? So I'm going to be dissolving this to get it to be very light. Now this is what makes this method the easiest. Okay, you want to make this pap to be very light. Okay, that is what is going to make the work to be easy for you. Now if you have enough water, if you have access to a lot of water, better. But if you don't have access, the quantity of water that I use here is still okay. Alright guys, so this is how light that you want the pap to be. It's important to get the pap to be this light. Okay, it's important to get this pap to be this light. Alright, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be starting with the first one, the one in the, what color is that, blue, green, whatever. Anyway, the one is that in the first bucket. Okay, just because it's thicker than the second one, right? So once you pour it into your sieve, this is not the normal way of sieving where you have to tie the sieve around a bowl, around a big bath, and then you start sieving. No, this is the another method, another easy way out for this method I'm showing you. This is the fastest method, guys. This process I'm showing you is the process that you're going to use to make this pap as quickly as possible, no matter the quantity of pap they are going to make. Trust me, this method gets the job done as quickly as possible. Okay, I believe this is self-explanatory, but if you have any question regarding what I am doing here, if it's not clear in any way, please ask me. I'll be in the comments waiting for you guys. I'll be in the comment section rather, waiting for you guys. Okay, so now that I've finished sieving in that first one, I'm going to go over to the second bowl, the second bath, to thoroughly clean my pap, because we don't want wastage, you don't want any form of wastage, right? So this second water is to properly clean the pap and to make sure that there is no pap left. There is only just the chaff of the pap that is remaining. Okay, all right, so we'll still do the same thing for the second one and we are done, just like that, guys. It doesn't take anything. Somebody taught me this method. This method is a game changer, gets the work done as quickly as possible. You can literally do this and just dress up and go to your work. Honestly, like, you can wake up in the morning after dressing your children for school, you can just do this thing and then you go to your work. By the time you come back, it must have be ready. It must have been ready for drinking, right? I'm just like trying to tell you that this is how easy this method is. It doesn't take anything, guys, trust me. So guys, if you notice, I fast forwarded some part of this video just because I don't want it to be too long or too boring. But if I were to leave the entire process in real time, it's still not going to take me up to 10 minutes, guys. Like up to 10 minutes to do what I just did here, if I should leave the whole time to be normal, like to be in real time. Okay. So we are done. We are going to now pour the other one into the mother pot or the mother bowl and cover it and let the water separate from the pap, so that we are going to pour the water out and pour our pap inside a sieve to dry out properly. Now this is what the chaff is looking like. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to like or subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you would want me to make another video like this, but a more detailed one, from the beginning of how to make pap to the very end. If you want to see a video like that, please comment. What should you comment now? Comment your favorite emoji in the comment section, and I will do just that. Okay.